Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. Today I'm going to share with you one of my very favorite supportive postures. The purpose of these postures is to allow yourself to have a little more support, stay a little longer, and invite the body to release. These are sometimes called restorative postures. It's a little contradictory for me to say that because I believe that all mind body activities should give us some sense of being restored and replenished. But in general, these postures are called restorative because they offer this time and opportunity to give us a little more replenishing or stay a little while longer. So, what we want to do is have the props that we use feel very comfortable so that we can be there, simply bringing our attention to the breath. Now, why would you want to do these postures? Because we all need this opportunity to restore our bodies, to replenish our bodies and minds. I'll show you this favorite of mine. You'll need a pillow or bolster. A cylindrical pillow really helps. An eye pillow, if you like. I just like to put that over my eyes for a little more weight and relaxation. These are the yoga circles that come underneath the back of the head, but could use a small folded blanket. And then I have an extra couple of blankets just in case I want to cover up or use them for support. And once I'm halfway into the posture, I don't need to get up to grab those. So what we're going to do is put the cylindrical pillow or bolster long ways and then sit just in front. Now, it's a very tricky to find just the right amount of pressure here that you want. So you have to play with this. And remember, this should feel comfortable. Never come into feeling any pain or discomfort. I have my little circles ready for where, just about where my head might come once I'm down. I want to start with your knees bent and your hands on the floor so you can slowly lower yourself down onto the bolster. I'm going to support my head here. Take a bit of time, just make sure that all feels okay. My back, my arms are okay, across my shoulders. And then I think I'm going to put these little roll blankets just at the side of my legs. So today I can just bring my legs out to the side and drop them on there for a little support. Take my glasses off, bring my little eye pillow on there. And I'm all set to relax back. You might also want to have your legs in a different position. So you might just straighten out the legs or leave the knees bent. Straightening out the legs gives you a little more space over the front body. Knees bent is a little more supportive for your low back. So again, experiment with how this works for you. We do tend to get cooler as we relax. So there, again, you might use the blanket just to cover up and stay warm. You can stay in this posture as long as it feels good. I suggest a nice quiet space where you won't be disrupted. When you're coming up and out of this posture, it's important to roll off the props as opposed to pulling yourself up with your low back and your neck. So whenever you're ready to come out, just roll over very slowly. Push yourself up. Take some time to slowly adjust to the upright. Definitely don't rush off into your next activity. Take a moment, move mindfully into your next activity when you're ready. I hope that you'll enjoy this restorative posture. Come into it as often as you like if you find it helpful. If you're interested in finding out more about how you can very easily bring these mind body activities into your day in a very manageable way, go to www.chanvar.com where you can find out more information about the daily 10-minute. And while you're there, be sure to sign up for the next free 5-day practice challenge. See you soon.